Hello, today is Monday, December 21st, 2020. My name is Daniel Mullany, and behind the camera is Caitlin Yates. Today we are filming a video source inspection of a brand new Sitek spin wrench dryer. This SRD was manufactured over the past few months and is traveling to our customer here located in California, whose PO number is 163-674. So here we have a brand new Sitek spin wrench dryer equipped with our touchscreen controller interface. And inside the chambers we have two brand new rotors that are manufactured to run our customer's cassette. This is a 12-slot cassette, because they have slightly thicker substrates than your typical silicon wafers. These SRDs, or these rotors, are balanced with the H-bar out. Although we only have 3 wafers or 3 discs in here right now, these rotors are balanced to run up to 12 of the full load. Because we only have so many on site with us today, we'll just be demonstrating with partial loads, but they are balanced to run up to the full load in a production capacity. So this system looks great. What I'm going to go ahead and do is get the process started on both heads. So now we're running the first head here. And now I'll be running the second head. I'd also like to mention that our SRD serial number for our customer to identify on delivery is SRD-01302. And this is a 110 volt system. So these SRDs are Sitek's design with the touchscreen controllers here. These touchscreen controllers are great for the variety of features that they offer for a spin wrench dryer. They have your capability of programming standard process recipes, which include a rinse, a purge, and 2 dry steps. They also have a fantastic maintenance mode that allows you to individually actuate any of the components necessary for doing your troubleshooting. Those individual components will be your motor, any of your solenoid valves, which then results in your pneumatic valves, your anti-static unit, your bowl heater, your N2 heater, your rotor stop positioner, or any other component that I may not have mentioned can be checked right there. Start, stop buttons, pressure switches, etc. So our maintenance mode is great because you can quickly review all of the components of your tool, and during PMs ensure that your system is operating properly. We also have a nitrogen purge saving feature. The purge saver is going to prevent nitrogen flow when the system is sitting in idle. We find that typical SRDs used to waste about $2,000 to $3,000 a year in nitrogen. Our system cuts that dollar figure down to $100 or $100 or $200. So that's a fantastic savings on the cost of ownership with these systems. Lastly, another key feature of these controllers is our data logging. So we're able to log all of the data in terms of process runs, maintenance runs, alarms, everything like that is saved within our controller, so that way you can withdraw that information in the future, review it, and ensure that your SRD is running well. Also allows you to trace back possible failure points to an SRD and say, hey, on June 23rd, did I have any unsuccessful runs? Were there any issues with my nitrogen heater, with my bowl heater, with my RPM? Which is really useful for eliminating pieces of equipment when investigating into a yield loss or some other issue that you might have found in your operating processes. So that's a great part about the controller. You can see a lot more information about our controllers on our YouTube channel, which is where you're probably viewing this now, or on our website. We also provide these nice visual indicators which show the current status of the tool. Yellow is idle, green is operating, blue is system complete successfully, and red is an alarm. So these are great. You can see actually in our building right now we have other SRDs that are being prepared for shipment. Here we have a double stack 8-inch tool. Here we have another single stack system that is for let's see here, set up for 3-inch currently. This will be a maximum 4-inch tool. And then we have this system right here. So we have about 145 seconds left of our process time. Taking a look at the chamber, everything looks great. The system is slowly drying each cassette, and the system's running very smooth. So everything looks good. Taking a look on our process recipe, I also see that the bowl heater is currently yellow on both. That's great. That means the bowl heater has reached its set point and is now cooling for a moment. When it turns back on green, it'll oscillate back and forth, and that's how you know you're maintaining a correct set point. So in addition to providing brand new SRDs to the semiconductor marketplace, Sitek also offers refurbished SRDs. If you're looking to save some money and keep your budget a little tighter on your SRD needed for a wet bench or any other application, we offer refurbished systems as well that carry a 1-year warranty. In addition to the refurbishments, we also offer 100% of the spare parts, services, and any other part needed for the SRDs. So for spare parts, that would be windows, door seals, motors, motor controllers, solenoid valves, pneumatic valves, tach sensors, start-stop switches, anything that you need for the SRD we have. And that includes services that I mentioned, such as motor repairs, controller repairs, rebalancing of your rotors, or any other service that you might need to keep your tool up and running. Okay, we've got 50 seconds left here. And then in addition to providing refurbished spin wrench dryers to the semiconductor marketplace, we also refurbish a variety of other systems for our customers. That would be box washers used for cassette and box cleaning, such as the Floorware HTC 8010, 8020, and 8030 product line. We also offer refurbishments for mask cleaners, such as Ultratech, Ultra T, and K&S systems. And then a whole variety of other tools that fall into categories such as metrology, dry etch, or anything else, such as tabletop etchers and ashers, tabletop furnaces, such as the MB80 series, the mini brutes, metrology tools such as profilometers, thin film measurement, particle counters. Those would be from Tencor, Dectac, or a variety of other manufacturers on that front. In the end, Sitek has a variety of refurbished equipment and capabilities for the entire semiconductor marketplace. Okay, so now we have our system complete here. As you can see, both of these clicked over to, or switched over to blue. That lets me know that we had a successful process run on both chambers. Both of these can be recognized either by pressing OK to recognize that the recipe has been completed, or by simply opening the door. So now I have the door open on the bottom chamber. I have a little bit of water left in my bowl, which is correct for maintaining particle counts in terms of an effective process recipe. And the substrates are dry, the cassette is warm, and this boat would be ready for the next step in your manufacturing process. Now to the top system. I'm going to go ahead and pull this one out as well. And I have the same results. Everything is dry, the cassette is warm, and the chamber only has a small amount of water left. If you do want to dry your chamber out bone dry, no problem. You simply add some more time to your process recipe and you'll have those results. So I'd like to thank you for taking the time to view our video source inspection for today. Again, my name was Daniel Mullany. My name is Daniel Mullany, and I filmed this video with the help of Caitlin Yates. If you have any more questions for us, please do visit our website at www.sitekprocess.com. That's spelled S-I-T-E-K. Or give us a call at 916-797-9000. And to reach me directly, dial extension 2201. Thank you very much. Have a happy holidays, and thanks again.